on the fight of Manny Pacquiao and Antonio Margarito, we also bumped into special friends of Kababayan LA. One of them is Ivy Wisco of MoneyGram. She has great announcements for us. Let's watch this.
Hi, John. It's nice to see you here, and welcome po sa mga kababayan natin. Welcome to the MoneyGram headquarters here in Dallas.
Ayan. Ivy, I know that MoneyGram has always been supporting Manny Pacquiao. What is your involvement this time dito sa fight na to ni Manny?
Jonel, alam mo naman, parati namin sinusuportahan si Manny. This time, we're supporting some elements of the fight.
Like, ano yon? Ano yung mga pwede naming puntahan siguro? Pwede naming makilala si Manny?
On November 16, merong after-fight, meet and greet si Manny sa November 16 in Harrah's, Lake Tahoe. And then also, we sponsor some elements din ng fight, actually TV segment, KSCI LA18, syempre ang ating partner na Kababayan LA.
Okay. And alam ko na maraming mga kababayan na nandito, marami ring nanonood, and you're also watching. You're a boxing fan, right?
I'm more of a Manny fan than a boxing fan.
Okay. And I know that this is going to be a celebration na naman. Siyempre, pag nanalo na naman si Pacquiao, there's going to be concert and a lot of celebration. And I know that also MoneyGram gives us a reason to celebrate. What do you have in store for our kababayans itong especially Christmas season?
Jonel, napakarami namin promotions for our kababayans, no? Both here in the US and in the Philippines. Dito sa US, meron kami mga pricing promotion care of Alas Cargo, from California hanggang Las Vegas. And then ang Long's Drugs in Hawaii, meron ding pricing promotion. In the Philippines, meron kami mga raffle promotion with our partner M. Luwilier and Smart.
Alam mo, ang dami yung mga promotions. You always think of ways to help our kababayans, no? What more can we expect from you in the future naman? Anything in the back burner or anything na in the works?
Diyan na napakarami kasi ang dami namin parts sa Philippines. We have BDO, we have M. Luwilier, Cebuana Luwilier, Quartagram, Paragram, UCPB. Lahat yan parts namin parati. In 2011, there's so much in store for our Filipino senders and consumers.
All right, that's nice to hear. At least we have something to look forward to. For now, thank you so much and enjoy the fight.
Thank you, Janelle.
At marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood ng Kababayan LA. Thank you, of course, to MoneyGram for always helping and supporting us. So the friends of Kababayan LA, mga supporters po natin, Brookshire Dental Care, O Skincare, maraming salamat. Have a great weekend, everyone. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. I'll see you again on Monday.